Today we have Timex Fit 2.0 SmartWatch which comes with Bluetooth calling as well. The pricing is 6,000 rupees. So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithani and welcome to our channel Mr. Lazy Tech. So I'll do the unboxing of this premium box. Let's see what will we get inside the box, give you the basic overview, and let's see, considering the price range of 6,000 rupees, is this smartwatch a valuable product or not? So hope you like this one, and if you're new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. This is the box of the Timex Fit 2.0 smartwatch you will be getting once the product is reached to you, and a very premium and good quality of packaging they have provided. Over here they have mentioned a lot of features. We will check all the features of the smartwatch in the further video. And apart from this one, you can just see over here they have mentioned you have to download an application, that is download the Timex Fit 2.0 app to connect with your phone. We'll check all the features and specifications in the further video. And inside the box you will be getting this type of packaging. Timex is mentioned on the top of the box, a very premium packaging they have provided. And at the top you will be getting the smartwatch itself. Let us just see one by one what all we get. First of all, you will be getting a user manual. You can just go through it once and see all the instructions and specifications of this particular smartwatch. And you will be getting a USB to magnetic charging dock. So what exactly you have to do, you just have to place the smartwatch on the top of this dock like this, and your smartwatch will get charged, and you will get approximately 6 to 7 days of battery life on a single charge. And the dock is very light, you can just install it very easily and charge your smartwatch with this one. Now coming to the main product, this is a smartwatch you will be getting, and I must say, considering the price range, it looks very premium with a good build quality. And apart from this one, you will be getting a price check attached with it. The price mentioned is approximately 6,000 rupees over here as well. Let me just quickly remove the tag. And the tag is removed from here, and looking at the strap quality, it is made of silicone, a good quality of silicone material they have used. Along with it, you can just detach your strap as well very easily and quickly. You can just change your strap according to your convenience. At the back of the watch, you will be getting charging dock, magnetic charging dock, along with the heart rate monitoring sensor, blood oxygen measurement, blood pressure measurement, and sleep monitoring sensor. Along with it, you will be getting a built-in microphone and speaker. It is a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. I will show you a calling test as well in further video. And over here, you can just see the edges are made of metal, and it looks very premium, along with the multifunction button they have given over here. And let me just show you the screen. Let me just remove the screen protector from here. It is a round dial smartwatch, and you will be getting 1.28 inches of color display with it. And now let us just quickly power on the smartwatch by simply long pressing this multifunction button for a few seconds, and Timex is shown at the top of the smartwatch. Okay, and this is the user interface of the smartwatch. The color output is very bright and very sharp over here, and if you will long press simply on the screen itself, you will be able to change the watch faces. There are 4 built-in watch faces, and apart from this one, you will be able to install other watch faces through the application I will show you in the further video. And if you will simply scroll right, you will be able to check the step counters and other tracking activities like heart rate monitoring sensor, blood oxygen measurement. And this is the main feature, that is a Bluetooth calling feature. I will connect my smartphone with the smartwatch and show you a calling test as well in further video. And apart from this one, you can just access the camera and music control through the smartwatch itself of your phone after connecting it with the application. And if you can just simply scroll down, you can access other features like brightness, and I must say the brightness is adequate. I will show you in the direct sunlight as well in the further video how is the exact brightness in the direct sunlight. And you can just simply check the notifications by scrolling it down. And if you will simply scroll left from here, you will be able to see the exact user interface of the smartwatch. This is the UI of the smartwatch, and I must say they have given a very smooth UI. I haven't faced as such lag with this user interface, and you will be able to see all the applications and all the features of the smartwatch over here itself. For example, if you will go on the sports activities, they have given 7 different sports modes like walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, and basketball, and football as well. So you can just pick any of the sports activities and track almost accurate activities with this particular smartwatch, and I must say the user interface is very smooth with this particular one. And as I told you regarding the Timex Fit 2.0 application, I have already installed in my phone. So what exactly you have to do, you just have to go here and tap on add watch, and it is showing Timex Fit 2.0. so it will ask some notification. You just have to grant some access to this application, and your phone will be connected with the smartwatch. Then you can simply access all the features of your smartphone through the smartwatch itself. And if you will go on the home page, you can just see over here, you can track all the daily activities, tracking activities of your workouts through the application itself. And if you will go over here, you can just see there are multiple options given over here like watch faces, alarms, notifications, camera settings, upgrade, about us. So if you'll go on the watch faces, there are approximately 200, more than 200 watch faces you will be getting. And you can also choose from gallery as well. You can just pick any of your gallery picture and apply on the smartwatch. And let me just pick one of the smart faces from this application. For example, I like this particular watch face, and it will take few minutes and it will be applied to your smartwatch. The watch face is applied to my smartwatch. So you can just simply install this application and connect with your smartwatch to access all the features. Now finally the smartwatch is in my hands, and I must say, considering the price range, it is providing a very good look and feel, and personally I like the round dialer as compared to the rectangle or square dialer. Now let us just quickly check few of the tracking activities. For example, heart rate monitoring sensor, you just have to hold for a few seconds and it will show you the reading. And it is showing 86 beats per minute. Okay. And let us just quickly check the other tracking activities as well, like blood pressure measurement. So you just have to hold for a few seconds again. And it is showing the reading as 140/78. Okay. And quickly, one more reading we will check, the blood oxygen measurement. So let me just quickly go on the top of the smartwatch itself. Let me just swipe it right, and you just have to hold for a few seconds again, and then it is showing 97% blood oxygen measurement. Okay, now let me just show you the main feature, that is a Bluetooth calling feature. Over here you can see you will be getting an option for dial pad. You can just simply dial any number and call from the smartwatch. Now let me just give you a demo how you can just call through the smartwatch. Hi Gaurav, this is Mohit. How are you?
I'm fine, Mohit. How are you?
I'm also fine. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, the sound is very proper.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Gaurav. Bye-bye.
Okay, fine.
So this is how simply you can just make or attend a call using this smartwatch. And right now I'm using this smartwatch in the direct sunlight in the outdoor condition. Let me just full the brightness over here. The brightness is full now. And I must say it is very easy to use in the direct sunlight as well. You won't face any issue. All the things are properly visible. You can access all the features of the smartwatch in the direct sunlight with very ease. And it comes with IP54 water and splash resistant features. So some splashes of water will not harm your smartwatch. Considering the price range of this smartwatch is offering a lot of features, and all the features works perfectly fine. Mainly the Bluetooth calling feature. The main highlight of the smartwatch is Bluetooth calling, which works perfectly fine in the indoor condition. You might face some issues in the outdoor condition. I would recommend you to use the Bluetooth calling feature in the indoor condition only. And apart from this one, if you are a fitness freak, the smartwatch is offering you a lot of sports activities, multiple tracking activities for your daily workouts and all, which works almost perfectly fine. You'll be able to get the accurate tracking with the smartwatch. I didn't find any issues with the tracking activities of the smartwatch. And mainly if you want a round dialer smartwatch, the size of the smartwatch is adequate. It looks very premium in your hands. So mainly if you are a fitness freak, if you want a Bluetooth calling smartwatch with a round dialer at approximately 6,000 rupees, you can definitely keep this as an option. It is a good option to consider. I'm also leaving the link in the description part below. You can click from there and check it from there as well. And still, if you have any issues regarding the smartwatch, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing and reviews of the recently launched Timex Fit 2.0 Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Hope you like this one, and as I told you, if you're new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one, and see you in the next video. Thank you.